Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back to yet another reaction. Tinalagade Titi, Dimankala Kuno Ku USA Koma, Dimachogera Ku Botswana. Today we are reacting to a new song, new artist all the way from I think it's Malawi, right? Like somebody suggested this. Yeah, so many times. Okay, let me see something here. It's an interesting comment because sometimes I don't get to things, you know what I mean? Check out Gwamba Charisma, check out Gizbro. Okay, Mr. TT, may you please react to Ajuh Guffi titled Chedwa. It's the latest track with good vibes, energy. Okay, and then I said, I'll definitely check it out. And then I don't know. Was Gizbro again for the 100th time. May you please react to Ajuh Guffi titled Chedwa. I recommend you this one. He insisted, so let's get to it. I think it's gonna be a good one because you know this was like a excuse me. Yeah, I have allergies going on, so please don't mind my coughing. It's not like I'm sick or anything. Okay, I was just saying this is supposed to be a good one because it's been pushed. Okay, so let's get to it without wasting any time. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Then hit that like button. It is for the algorithm. Let me say something here about Gizbro. Anyway, that's not important for now. We'll get to it. Let's get to the song. Oh, yeah, it is a vibe. From the get-go. Hold on. So wait, the artist that I'm reacting to is just, I mean, is this kid or is it a kid? I don't know. Wait, this is Ajuh. Hold on. Let me see something. Am I missing something here? What is going on? Well, what's okay? Hold on a second. I want to see something. Wow. This is interesting. Ajuh Guffi, Chedwa. Let's see. I want to see the. Whoa. Okay. What? I wish I can share with you my screen right now, guys. Like this is it. This is him. It's him. Okay, yeah, now that's clear. You should have told me in the comment section. Like it's a huge surprise. So now you guys have like the oldest person and the youngest as well. Talk about bragging about talent, okay? I feel like he's telling off somebody. clean as well. Like, the confidence. Oh my goodness. Hey. This is the boss at school, man. Whoa. And this kid can dance. Oh my goodness. You guys already have Ellen Juch's replacement, I see. Like, this is really good, man. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna subscribe. Subscribe. Please subscribe to Ajuh Guffi's YouTube page. He only has 300 subscribers, guys. Come on. I mean, he's very new. I mean, he's also a kid, so obviously he's new. But you know, he has the confidence. I feel like he started well. That was a brilliant one, man. Whoever is working with him, hopefully they're not gonna just let his talent go to waste. Hopefully they'll just encourage it as it grows, you know. So yeah, that's beautiful. That's a good surprise. Thank you so much for the suggestion, Mr. Gizbro. Yeah, you're a big guy. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this. Please go check out Ajuh Guffi's YouTube page and subscribe there, guys. Leave a comment, like his videos, because you know it's not easy up on the streets of YouTube, and I'm sure it could be, you know, what's the word, demoralizing to not get enough following as you are putting out all the talent you have, you know what I mean? So please go subscribe and support the young man. Wow, that was a good one. I'll see you guys on the other side. I can just go on and on, talk about anyway.